Okay, this came out of nowhere. Tornado warning for Allegheny and Westmoreland. We're going to go ahead and see if KDKA will relay it. I'm sure they will. They are. Just in time. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me go to a different radio. It's not coming in on the... Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Seems like they relayed it a lot earlier than I thought they would. So that was like what? Like 10 minutes or so? Like eight something minutes after it was issued? Wow. Yeah. That was out of nowhere. I actually caught that tornado warning for Allegheny and Westmoreland. Oh my goodness. Was not coming in very well though, I will say that, but it's still something.